Hi everyone. If you're like me, you've probably been using AI coding assistants to speed up your projects. But here's the thing, how do you know when a code was written by AI or a human? That's where Codeaidetector.pro comes in. Codeaidetector.pro is a game changer. It helps you detect AI generated code and pinpoints exactly which part of the code base was written by AI models. It works seamlessly with C Sharp, Java, Python, JavaScript, and PHP. Here, let me show you a quick demo of this. On a dashboard here, I'll click on New Scan and select language as Java. Yes, I have a piece of code which I'll copy and paste and hit on Analyze. Now, we can see that 98% of code is written by AI. Here, the code highlighted in red is generated by AI model, whereas orange one is less likely. Now, it doesn't rewrite or fix mistakes in the AI generated code, but that's why it's actually awesome. It puts you back in control of your work, whether you are an independent consultant or managing a small dev team. It saves you tons of time during quality assurance. You can use AI tools and still ensure your code is bug free before sending it to clients. Or you can hire a small agile team that uses AI tools and quickly spot AI generated parts, tackle those bugs, and improve accountability, all without breaking the bank on a massive team. So, whether you are a one-person coding machine or leading a developer team, Code.aidetector Pro has got your back. Sign up through the link in the description and detect AI generated code, fix bugs faster, and build better softwares now.